Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a person you know whom you think is well dressed. You should say who the person is, how long you have known her, what clothes she likes to wear.
One person that comes to mind when I think of someone who is well dressed is my friends and Mrs. Pinki. I've met her several times, and every time I see her, I'm impressed by her sense of style and fashion. I have known Mrs. Pinki for about a year now, and she's always impeccably dressed no matter what the occasion. She's in her early 50s, but she looks much younger and has a youthful energy that is reflected in her clothing choices. She loves to wear dresses and skirts, and she always chooses outfits that flatter her figure. She has an eye for color and pattern, and her outfits are always coordinated from head to toe. She also pays attention to the little details, such as jewelry and accessories, which add a touch of sophistication to her overall look. What I appreciate most about Mrs. Pinki's style is that it's effortless and timeless. She never looks like she's trying too hard, and her outfits are always appropriate for the occasion. Whether she's dressed up for a wedding or dressed down for a casual lunch, she always looks put together and stylish. Overall, Mrs. Pinki is a great example of someone who is well dressed. Her sense of style is classic and elegant, and she always looks put together and sophisticated. I always look forward to seeing what she's wearing, and she's definitely someone I look up to for fashion inspiration. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.